Hi, welcome back to the channel. Mine's here for PJM Collectibles. Come join me as we unbox and take a closer look at this Toyota Pandem GR Yaris by Pop Race. Okay, before we begin unboxing this one, okay, as I've said, this is from Pop Race. Okay, this is one of the earliest models released by Pop Race. Okay, this came in this box. Okay, and since this is one of the older models from Pop Race, okay, I'm not expecting that much good details on them. Okay, but we all know that now Pop Race has been producing more good models, and this is one of the first releases, their releases of this GR Yaris from Pandem. Okay, and also before we open this one up, okay, we also unboxed and took a closer look at different Pop Race models. Okay, this one is the Toyota Vios, okay, in silver. Okay, I already did a wheel swap on this one. This one sports the NKRP F1 custom 3D printed wheels, okay, by Even64. Okay, featured that in the channel as well. And also another Pop Race model is this Toyota Vios. Okay, this one is same model, okay, but this one is from the Vios Cup Racer. Okay, this is a Vios Cup Racing. Okay, do check out our unboxing videos of these two models. Okay, we did that a couple of months ago. Okay, we'll be dropping a link of those videos below. Okay, but for this one, okay, we're going to unbox this one. This is, as I've said, one of the earliest models. Okay, they got a different kind of box. Okay, might be wondering, okay, why this one sports a different box. But anyway, box itself sealed, plastic heat shrink. Okay, very good. Okay, let's start opening this one up. I'm really excited to see this one. Okay, this is our first GR Yaris, okay, in our garage. So let's wait, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. Okay, straight out of the box, nothing else. Okay, model sits on this plastic mold. Ooh, this one is nice. Okay, model sits on this plastic mold. Okay, very secure. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's take a closer look at this one. Okay, very nice one. Okay, start with the wheels. Okay, wheels, a very good design. Okay, two-tone, black and silver. Okay, have very good details on them. Wheels do come with rubber threaded tires. Okay, and they roll smoothly. Okay, very good. Okay, on the side, okay, markings on the decals on them. Okay, as I mentioned, this is a Pandem, okay, a Rocket Bunny. Okay, Pandem or Rocket Bunny is a company that does body kits, and this one, okay, is very good. Okay, it says Pandem here, and some sponsors. Okay, on decals on that is Dunlop. Those are tires. In NK Those are the rims or wheels. Okay, and some others as well. Okay, very prominent is this Cusco. Okay, Cusco is a Japanese company that specializes in aftermarket suspension systems. Okay, limited slip differentials. Okay, so that's Cusco. And going back to the model, okay, on the side, clear windows with black details and trimmings on them. Okay, very nice. Okay, panel lines are kind of shallow, but doesn't matter. Okay, what's important are these details. Okay, on the tampos or the decals on them. Okay, and the body kits. Okay, has some good details on them as well. Okay, side mirrors are metal. Okay, with clear, or rather, with some silver stickers on them. Okay, very good body kit. Okay, moving on to the front. This one is nice. Okay, it's evident is the front bumpers. Okay, front bumpers have, as I've said, a body kit. Okay, there's some front diffusers, very good details on them. Okay, painted in black. Okay, shiny glossy black. Okay, some Dunlop decals on the front bumper, details on the front grille, as you can see. Okay, those are honeycomb design. Okay, doesn't come with a license plate, but nonetheless it's okay since this is a race car. Okay, quote unquote a race car, so you don't need a license plate for that. Okay, GR badges. Okay, GR tampos. Okay, can be seen also on the front. Okay, and more sponsors. Okay, there, and also good details on the Toyota logo up front. Okay, headlights are clear, plastic inserts with some details on side. Okay, on the hood, very good details on this one. Okay, tampos are marked straight, very good. Okay, so it's Cusco, the website, and the GR logo. Okay, moving on to the front windshield. Front windshield is clear. Okay, very well see what's inside the interiors. Okay, we're going to talk about that later. Okay, moving on to the roof. Okay, roof has some details on them, you can see, very good ones, and shiny rooftop with some Cusco markings on them, and those are the red and silver, what do you call that, details or design. Okay, uniform. Okay, and moving on to the back. Okay, this is, I'd like to take a closer look at this one. This one is good. Okay, the rear wing, okay, it's made out of metal. Okay, very good design, and the rear wing or the spoiler is secured with these two spoiler stays. Okay, this one, and I believe those are metal ones as well. Okay, rear windows have no details on them, still clear nonetheless. Okay, don't need to have details on that since there's a really big spoiler or wing that covers it up. Okay, rear tail lights are very good details on them as well. Okay, this color red. Okay, with some details inside. Okay, Toyota logo, and as always, and obviously another Cusco here, and Dunlop decals. Okay, as part of the body kit, okay, there's a very good diffusers, very good details on that one, on the rear bumper. Okay, and also mufflers. Mufflers are painted black. Not much details. Okay, I cannot quite see them because of the rear diffuser. It's also colored black. But the mufflers are shiny. Okay, as well as this part of the body kit. Okay, as you can see, this is glossy, and this one is also glossy. Okay, before we go to the bottom part, okay, we'll check the interiors first. Okay, interiors, I don't know if it's clear, but there's a roll cage inside. Okay, colored silver, very good one. Okay, you can see at the back there, I don't know if it's clear. Good details on the roll cage. Okay, interiors are black. Would have been better if they put added more color to it, so the details would pop out. Oh, nonetheless, they're good. Okay, this is the right-hand drive model. Okay, details on the dashboard are really good. As you can see, there are the details on the dashboard. Okay, has some monitors on them, gear shift levers, okay, and also there are some decals, or rather details, on the windshield, or rather on the front dashboard as well. Okay, very good model. Okay, moving on. Okay, base is made out of plastic. Oh, sorry about that. It's made out of metal. Okay, base is secured with 2 screws here and here. Okay, but the other screw is covered by the muffler. Okay, twin mufflers. Failed to mention that earlier. Okay, twin mufflers. Not much details. Okay, no engine details. Quite some few here. Muffler system. Okay, the catcon, and goes all the way to the back. Okay, has this differential. And since this come with a body kit, okay, it's kind of deep here. Nonetheless, really good. Okay, doesn't matter since you get to display this model like this. Okay, since this is one of the first models that Pop Race introduced with this tooling, or this variant, okay, and many the other GR Yaris models that Pop Race made after this are very good. Okay, very good colors. Okay, they released this in very good colors. There's some chrome black, very good blue, and they're really good. Okay, really happy with this model. Okay, so there you have it, the Toyota GR Yaris with Pandem Rocket Bunny body kits with Cusco decals on them. Okay, very good model. Hope you guys like that one. Thank you for watching, and I'll be leaving this, forgot to mention, on the turntable for everyone to see. And once again, thank you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
Little cars, big passion. passion.